God has created every living thing with the wonderful visual system it needs. Human beings have marvelous eyes that allow them to see on land. But underwater vision is quite blurred. The reason for this is that the human eye has problems focusing underwater. To solve this difficulty, we use underwater goggles that form a pocket of air around our eyes. We can only see clearly underwater with the help of these goggles. In the same way, human beings use high-tech cameras in order to take pictures underwater. Dolphins' eyes are just like special cameras that let them see clearly both under the water and above it. They have elastic lenses on their eyes that expand and contract to allow them to focus below and above water. This is an important need for dolphins. Every time dolphins surface, they take careful notice of the movements of the flocks of birds around them. This is because wherever a flock of birds gathers, there is a school of fish. Dolphins know this very well and use the information to find easy hunting opportunities. This special design in the dolphin's eyes also protects them from the salty seawater. Dolphins' eyes have another special characteristic. Each eye can focus on a different point at the same time. Because of this, a dolphin can look ahead with one eye in the direction of which it is swimming, while it can scout around for danger with the other. A school of sharks, for example. When necessary, a dolphin can even shut one eye and let one half of its brain go to sleep. Later, it shuts the other eye, allowing the other half of its brain to sleep. In this way, it never goes completely to sleep and is always protected from danger. Those that support the theory of evolution claim that all living creatures on Earth, with all their flawless systems, came into existence as a result of chance. If that were the case, It would also be necessary for the dolphin's sonar system and superior seeing mechanisms to be the work of chance. Whereas no one would suggest that an electronic sonar system or a camera could come into existence in this manner. To claim that a dolphin's eyes, which are technologically far superior to a normal camera, or its wonderfully designed sonar system, are the result merely of chance, is illogical. The fact that such an advanced technological system has been placed in the body of a living creature shows us a plain fact. God created dolphins and gave them the special qualities that they possess. Human beings try to build sea vessels that can resist all kinds of severe conditions. But there is one more strong obstacle that seagoing vessels must overcome: the water's power of resistance. The faster a vessel travels, the stronger the water's resistance. For this reason, hydrodynamic engineers tried to reduce this resistance as much as possible when they designed ships, boats, and submarines. A great amount of the power of the motors of ocean-going vessels is expended on overcoming the force of this resistance. Dolphins love to swim fast. Certainly, an ocean vessel traveling at such a speed would encounter great resistance. But dolphins have no such problem because God, who created them from nothing, created every kind of system they require. Their skin and body structure are designed to reduce water resistance as much as possible. Now, let's have a closer look at this wonderful design. The moment dolphins begin to swim rapidly, a thin film of water forms along their skin. This film of water is called a boundary layer. The skin was created with an elasticity that begins to move in a wave-like motion when turbulence occurs. The skin prevents resistance by moving in exactly the opposite direction from the turbulence in the boundary layer. The result is a fast and quiet swim. This design is a real wonder of engineering. After 4 years of research, German submarine engineers who noticed this design in the skin of dolphins imitated it and succeeded in making a submarine coating with the same characteristics. Submarines designed with this kind of coating were able to attain a 250% increase in speed. Certainly, it is not possible that a wonderful design like this, that human beings have tried to imitate, could be a chance occurrence. Such a flawless system could only have been made by a supreme intelligence. This shows us a plain fact once again. God created dolphins,